Today I'm going to show you how to place the new section tabs in the Complete Nursing School Bundle. If you don't already have the Complete Nursing School Bundle, you can find the link to this in the description below. Or if you have a previous version of the Complete Nursing School Bundle, you can still use these section tabs. The link to purchase it by itself is in the description below. So let's go inside and I'll show you how to place your new section tabs. Okay, so as you can see, the table of contents aligns with the section tabs. So you're going to find the topic and then go to the section placement tabs, and you're going to peel this off. It's a sticker, the whole thing's a sticker, and you're going to place the white spot on the section tab just like this. Then you're going to fold it over on the other side, just like that. And then we have our first section tab. From there, it's basically rinse and repeat of finding the section and placing the tab on. Okay, so again, you want to place the white section over the blue section, leaving out the name, and doing the same thing on the other side. Pressing firmly so it sticks together, and you have another section tab.